Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about CapCut video editing. Yes, this is CapCut video editing part 2, and today we want to start our video editing for the first time. And when you want to start your video editing with CapCut, you will see the new project option, and after click the area for the new project, and definitely you will see this kinds of interface for the first time. Okay, so if you missed my first video how to download CapCut video, definitely you should check out from my playlist. Okay, also you can check the video from my video description. So I want to go for the video next option. So I want to see here import materials. So this is the basic tips maybe. So I want to click the next. Also here is the brief for the drag materials for the timeline and start editing. So this is the short brief or short tutorial for how can you edit your video. So I want to click the next, and after that you will see the area option for the video editing. So this is very basic, and I think you can easily test with these videos. Okay, so CapCut give you the first time the videos for the editing purpose, and here is the timeline area. Also you will see the screen here to show this video. So this is very basic things. Also I want to just play this video from here, and to play it, okay, so it's just playing. So this is the timeline. If you want to just back your timeline, so you just click here the border area and just drag anywhere you want. Okay, so I want to drag here and I want to play again, so it will be played. Okay, so this is very important and very easy, I think. Okay, so now I want to introduce with you guys the basic interface for the top menu area for the CapCut video editing software. So here it is. The first option is media. So if you want to import any videos, your recorded video or something like that we want to edit using CapCut video editing software, so you can easily import for the button import your video. Okay, so this is very important. So just click here and then open, and the video will added here. Okay, so this is very easy, I think. Okay, and if you want to upload here multiple video, definitely you can easily do it. The next thing is audio. So if you want to add some audio with this video, like I want to add some videos from audio from here, just I want to click here, and it will take time to downloading the for the first time, and then you can see the plus icon to add your music or audio. Okay, so this is the option. Just click the plus area and you will see the audio is added here. So this is very interesting and very basic things. Okay, so now we want to cut our audio from here. So I want to drag this I want to drag this option here, and I want to just click here. This is the timeline area. So this is the audio timeline and this is the video timeline. So I want to click here for the audio timeline, and here you will see the split option. So there are 2 or 3 options for the split. So if you want to delete from the left, you can easily click here. If you delete from the if you delete from the left, you can easily click here, and if you delete from the right, you can just click here. But if you want to split from the middle, so definitely you should just click here. Also, if you want to use shortcut, definitely you can use with Control B. So okay, so I want to split here for the middle, and then I want to click here for this area and press delete button to delete the area. And I want to drag here, and I want to drag this option, and I want to drag for the first area, and I want to play again with this music. Okay, it's just playing good, I think. And I want to cut it for the in part, so I want to just click here and then click the audio track area. I want to click here, and I want to just split from the right. Okay, so that's cool, I think, and it's all done. Also, I want to add some text here. This is the very basic tutorial for the beginner. I think you know all the option if you are an expert person, but this video for the beginner to expert level. So please watch this video if you want. Okay, so now I want to add some text. So this is the text area. I want to introduce all the option from here. Also, I want to tell you some important thing. Suppose I want to click here for the text, and you will see the default text area. So I want to click here, and I want to see the default text area. So I want to write here. I want to write here Capcut. Okay, just click here, and then you can write Capcut video. Okay, so this is the option for the Capcut video. And I want to just introduce with you guys some option for the text, because this is very important for the video editing. And here you will see the option for the font size. Okay, so I want to increase the font size, it will be increased. Okay, so I want to change the font. So if you want, you can easily change from here. Just click here for the download first time, and then you can easily use. Also, if you want to upload your own font or pre-downloaded form, you can easily upload from here. Okay, so now the next thing is style for the text area. So I want to bold this text, sorry for this, and drag here for the middle, and I want to bold it. So definitely it will be bold. I want to underline it, it will be underlined. So here all the option you will see. Suppose we want to change the color for the text. Okay, so how can we do this? Just click here, and I want to select the color picker from the bottom. I want to make it green. Okay, that's cool, I think. Okay, so now I will play here. This is the flat text, and I want to just make it with some animation. So how can we do this? Definitely this is very easy. Okay, so I want, also there is a lot of preset style. Suppose we want to start with this one, it will be sense cool, right? Okay, so right now I want to make it this one, or this one is good, I think. So if you want, you can use all the option, and please check all the option. Here is the opacity, is stroke, and lot of things. I think you can easily do this from your Capcut video editing software. Okay, so if we want to start any background, easily we can use from here. Okay, also we can change the background color. Okay, so right now I want to jump for the animation. Okay, so here you will get lots of animation for your text. Okay, so for the first time you will see lots of option here for the pro version. So definitely if you want to get this kinds of animation, definitely you should upgrade your version from the free to pro. Okay, so right now I want to see the basic one for the free. Okay, I want to click here, and if I want to increase the duration, so I you will see the option here. I want to increase here. Yeah, that's cool, I think. Okay, so this is the in, and if you want to out, you can select here, and I want to select this one for the out. Okay, so I want to play again for, and to see the total editing for the text. I want to click here. Okay, nice, I think. Okay, so I think this video is already 10 minutes plus, or it's longer. So we will start with the next part, part 3. So I think this video is very helpful as a beginner, and definitely I said that I will publish some pro video, pro editing with how can we edit our video professionally with Capcut video editing software. So till then, please subscribe the channel and like this video and stay with me. Definitely I will publish some awesome video, guys. Okay.